So the third quiz has an assignment actually in PDF document format, but it's okay. Let's scroll directly down to the quiz question. So quiz question number 1 says, what is the transaction code to view a balance sheet account? Let's follow the route of the manual. So the instruction says accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records. So accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing centrally. GL accounts, individual processing centrally. Before I double click the centrally, there is a question. What is the transaction code for centrally? It is FS00. So FS00. And then let's double click this centrally transaction code. So here we are brought up with added GL account centrally. And then step 1.2 says, in the added GL account centrally screen, enter the following information. GL account, put into a code for the bank account. How would I know the bank account? And company code, enter the code for your company. Okay, so let's start with GL account. I don't know the bank account. So click on the field, and then here we have a double box icon show up. So click on that double box's icon. So here it says GL account numbers. The manual has a hint. To search, place the cursor in the field and click this double box icon. When searching for the bank GL account, make sure you enter your GL numbers in the chart of accounts field, and change the maximum number of hits to 5,000. Alright, first steps first, chart of accounts here. I don't know my GL number. So click on this double box's icon again. So we have a lot of chart of accounts. If you scroll down, here are a series of GL numbers. So each of student has its username, and the username is AIS-00 something or 003 for my example here, and your account may be AIS-075. Okay, so the last 2 digits of your username is your GL account number. So in my demonstration case, I am using AIS-003. So the last 2 digits of my username is GL003. Oh, I skip it. Let me scroll it down again. So AIS-003 actually is represented by GL03. So find your username, and then use the last 2 digits of your username to find your GL number. Here, my username is AIS-003. So the last 2 digits, 03, will be my GL account. Double click on it, and it will be brought into chart of accounts. And then the manual says change from 500 to 5,000, and then hit enter on the keyboard. So now I have bank account. Okay, so we have all kinds of loan tags for the code for GL account, and the manual says we want bank account. So here, chart of accounts, under my company code, I will double click this bank account, double click it, and it will be brought into edit GL account centrally form. And then next, company code. If you don't know what it is, let's search. Okay. So here it says these US numbers represent Global Bike Company at Dallas. Okay. And my division AIS 003 is here, 03. Okay, so again, use your username, the last 2 digits of your username to find out your company code. Okay, so here I will double click 03, and it will be brought into the Edit GL account centrally. Remember, every one of you has different company code because you have different username. So use the last 2 digits of your username for the Edit GL account centrally. And if my class is larger than 99 students, then your username, you will use the last 3 digits for the company code and the GL account to find the correct chart of account code. So here it says, number 2, what is the GL account number for the bank account? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So answer 10,000. And then what is the account group? After you enter 10,000 in the GL account and your company code, you click enter key, hit enter key on your keyboard. Then the account group will show up. It is liquid assets. The next question says, what is the account currency? It is under Control Data tab. So go to Control Data tab, USD, United States dollar. So the currency is United States dollar. The 5th question is posting to this account without tax allowed. So look back. Is posting without tax allowed? It's not checked. So answer is no. 6th question. What does the tax category E0 stand for? Hint, to look up possible entries, press F4 button while having your cursor in the tax category field. So tax category field, and then on my keyboard, press function F4. So here, E0, right? That's what is asked for, right? E0. So E0 stands for A/P sales, accounts payable sales tax, comma, exempt. So let's put that into our answer sheet. A/P sales tax, comma, exempt. And then 7th question, what does the sort key 003 sort accounts by? So here we see posting date, sort key 001 posting date, but the question asks us 003. So let me put my cursor here, double box icon shows up again. So click on double box icon. Here we have sorting key 003. It means document date. And number 8, what is the bank account sorted by? So on our form, close this out. It is sorted by posting date. And then the manual says, hop over to Create Bank Interest tab. So go to Create Bank Interest tab. The next question says, what is the field status group? Field status group, ZGBSS, General Balance Sheet Accounts. Okay, so this PDF does not allow me to enter more words, but in the quiz you should put general balance sheet accounts, okay, as it was shown on the display GL account centrally. The 10th question asks us, is this account relevant to cash flow? So here, back to the form, it says yes. The check says it is relevant to cash flow. The 11th question, are posting to this account done automatically? So back to the form, is post automatically? It's not checked. So answer is no. And then the manual says go to keyword/transaction tab. So keyword/translation, not transaction, translation tab. The question says, number 12, what are the language keys defined to this account? Here, language key, we have English and German. The 13th question, why do we have those particular languages defined for Global Bike Inc., GBI? Because it is a global company. It has operations in Germany and US. So put it shortly, GBI is a joint venture with, I cannot put more words, but I can read it for you. GBI is a joint venture with Germany and US.